Hi, welcome to Valid School of Art. Today I will show you how to make 7 different caps with one newspaper. Take a newspaper this size. This is the center. By folding like this, make that center more visible. Then open. Keep it like this. This open side should be down. Then follow this center line. Fold right corner and correct the center. Same way left side also. Then the bottom side, take one. Follow this level. Fold. Then once again. Like this. Two times we folded. Then keep your paper upside down. And follow the center. Fold right side and correct the center. Left side also. And the bottom part, fold full. And here you can see one pocket. Here also. This bottom part, fold and insert in that pocket. First the left side, then the right side, then fully insert. The one cap is ready. See. Do you know which cap this? Our first cap is ready. This is called bishop cap. Then we can make second cap. See this level. Hold this top corner. Like this. And insert in this pocket. Our next cap is ready. I think everyone knows this cap. This is called Nehru cap. Then the third cap. Let's do like this. You got one square shape, right? Then see this corner Here you can see one pocket. Fold this corner and insert in that pocket. Then opposite side also same way, fold, insert it. Then open, then do like this. This side also. Third cap is ready. This is called round cap. Then the fourth cap. See this line? This side or this side you can open. I'm opening this side. Just to open. See, another cap is ready. Did you see anywhere like this cap? Yes, this is polyscape. Then the fifth cap. Open this side also. So another cap is ready. This is scholarship cap. For next cap, just insert this side, or any one side you have to insert. One side keep it like this, make it straight. See, this is our sixth cap. This is crown. Then seventh cap. This is the last cap. Just open this side. Keep it straight. Last cap is ready. This is maybe your favorite cap. The shape is very familiar. This is Batman cap.